Today we have to talk about why is maritime law so important. The open sea and inland waterways used for commerce and considered navigable waters of the United States. Navigable waters are governed by a collection of laws and codes collectively known as maritime law. Maritime law, also known as admiralty law, provides important protections for those who work on navigable waters, as well as passengers aboard vessels. However, maritime law is very complicated. As such, it is extremely important to seek knowledgeable legal counsel if you were injured or a loved one was killed on the open sea or inland waters governed by federal law. What is the importance of maritime law to maritime workers? The majority of workers on land can turn to state administrated workers compensations programs if they suffer an injury at work or develop a work related illness if you work on navigable waters. However, the rules are different. Maritime law is the only recourse maritime workers have if they are hurt on the job. Both the process of recovering compensation and the compensation available for a work-related injury under maritime law are different from filing a claim for workers' comp. The importance of the Jones Act. One of the most important components of maritime law in the United States is the Jones Act or the Merchant Marine Act of 1920. To use the complete official name, the Jones Act established the right of maritime workers to maintenance and cure for job-related injuries and illness. Maintenance refers to payments to help workers cover their day-to-day expenses. Cure refers to payment of medical expenses related to maritime work injury. Sailors, offshore workers, and other workers covered by the Jones Act, known as seamen, are entitled to maintenance and cure. Employers are required to pay benefits for maintenance and cure until the worker reaches maximum medical improvements. Maintenance and cure are provided on a no-fault basis. This means that maritime employers are required by law to make these payments regardless of who may be responsible for the worker's injury. Unlike state workers' compensation laws, which typically bar injured workers from suing employers, the Jones Act also allows seamen to sue their employers if negligence was a factor in the injury or accident. Specifically, employers can be held liable if their negligence makes a vessel unseaworthy.